Good morning! It is a great day to learn. I am going to the garage now. There is my new bicycle. Whew. There is my new bicycle. Rise, rise. Ah, the frame is very strong. Whew. Safety is the most important thing. I look like a real rider. The bike is a bit heavy. I will walk to the big park. I have arrived at the park. This path is very smooth. Whew! Oh, I must keep my balance. I feel a bit shaky. A bit shaky. I can do this. Focus, Sarah. 1, 2, 3. Push. Oops. I am leaning too much. Try, and try again. The wheels are spinning now. I am moving. I am riding. The chain is working well. Ha! The wind feels so cool. I must steer the bike. I am turning the corner. Whew, this is wonderful fun. Oh, how do I stop the bike? Woo, oh, ooh. Pull the lever gently. That was a perfect stop. Whew. I need a short break. Water is the best drink. I am a bit sweaty now. I will teach Mike next. It is time to go home. Woo. Home. I love my little garden. My head feels very light now. I am inside the house. Shoes stay in the hallway. This apple is very sweet. Today was a good adventure. Whew. The sunset is so beautiful.
The house is very cozy. I love reading in the evening. This book is very interesting. Everything is quiet tonight. The house is silent and still. Good night to the world. I will have sweet dreams. The house is safe while we sleep. Our minds are resting during the long night. I kept my home tidy today.
Life is very wonderful.
Everything is perfect now. Biking is fun. Goodbye. I will ride with Chrissy tomorrow. Listen to the loud bell. Stay on the right side. The birds are singing today.
I am fast rider now.
I am so brave today. Woo! Time moves very fast. The shadows are very long.
The bike belongs in the garage.
I am finished for today. Time to wash the clothes. I feel very clean now. Exercise makes me sleepy.
Hi, members. Today was a big success.
Sweet dreams to everyone. The universe is quiet at night. The mind is resting well. I love my bike. Goodbye. Goodbye.